Welcome to my channel World History. Today is the 8th January. I will share some history of the world held on 8th January. I request you to please watch the full video and share your comments to make better. Come, let us start the history of world on 8th January. In 1547, the first Lithuanian language book, the Catechism of Martynas Mažvydas, is published in Kongsberg. In 1746, Second Jacobite Rising, Bonnie Prince Charles occupies Stirling. In 1790, George Washington delivers the first State of Union address in New York City. In 1815, in the War of 1812, Battle of New Orleans, Andrew Jackson leads American forces in victory over the British. In 1835, United States President Andrew Jackson announces a celebratory dinner after having reduced the United States national debt to zero for the only time. In 1867, United States Congress passes the bill to allow African American men the right to vote in Washington, D.C. In 1912, the African National Congress is founded under the name South African Native National Congress, SANNC. In 1912, United States President Woodrow Wilson announces his 14 points for the aftermath of World War I. In 1926, Abdul Aziz ibn Saud is crowned King of Hejaz. In 1936, Kashf-e-Hijab decree is made and immediately enforced by Reza Shah, Iran's head of state, banning the wearing of Islamic veils in public. In 1940, in the World War II, Britain introduces food rations. In 1945, in the World War II, Philippine Commonwealth troops under the Philippine Commonwealth Army units enter the province of Ilocos Sur in North Luzon and attack invading Japanese imperial forces. In 1959, Charles de Gaulle is proclaimed as the first president of the French Fifth Republic. In 1961, in France, a referendum supports Charles de Gaulle policies in Algeria. In 1964, President Lyndon B. Johnson declares a war on poverty in the United States. In 1972, bowing the international pressure, President of Pakistan, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, releases Bengali leader Sheikh Mujibur Rahman from prison, who has been arrested after declaring the independence of Bangladesh. In 1973, Soviet space mission Luna 21 is launched. In 1977, 3 bombs exploded in Moscow, Russia, Soviet Union within 37 minutes, killing 7. The bombings are attributed to an American separatist group. In 2002, United States President George W. Bush signs into law the No Child Left Behind Act. In 2003, Turkish Airlines Flight 634 crashes near Diyarbakir Airport, Turkey, killing the entire crew of 70 of the 75 passengers. In 2005, the nuclear sub USS San Francisco collides at full speed with a undersea mountain south of Guam. In 2020, Ukrainian International Airlines Flight 752 crashes immediately after takeoff at Tehran Imam Khomeini International Airport. All 176 on board are killed. The plane was shot down by an Iranian anti-aircraft missile. This is the history of world on 8th January. Now let us know who were born on this day. That is on 8th of January. In 1344, Qadi Burhanuddin, a poet and Qazi of ruler of Sivas. Qadi is also known as Qazi. In 1583, Simon Episcopius, Dutch theologian and academic, was born. In 1601, Baltasar Gracian, Spanish priest and author, was born. In 1786, Nicholas Biddle, American banker and financier, was born. In 1805, John Bigler, American law politician, diplomat, third governor of California, was born. In 1823, Alfred Russel Wallace, geographer, biologist and explorer, was born. This is the short history of world held on 8th January. I request you to please share this video in all of your groups of WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and if you are a new on my channel, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive my uploads notification. Thank you. Be happy and be healthy.